Hello everyone, I am Erdem Demirci. I'm studying civil engineering at Bulent Ecevit University. I'm in final grade. Today, I want to introduce a modern machine that is used in well construction. The name of the machine is Gomaco GP3. First, I want to talk about the company. Gomaco manufacturing company officially began selling equipment in 1965 in the United States. There are also some distributors in Turkey, by the way. Uh, in my opinion, this machine, one of the smartest construction machines in the world, because it can be adjusted in different size and quite quickly and easily, and thus it can adapt to all conditions and business areas. This is very important for us. Uh, While digging stages and other systems are working automatically, the speed of vehicle can be controlled. This is also very important. And this makes business management easier. Caterpillar pallets, on the other hand, are not only adjustable, but can also rotate on the shaft, so powering doesn't hesitate down in extreme conditions. Thank you for listening to me. Have a nice day.